Abotia. Over the tier body.
So this is what we are seeing in the video. Juapong is being cut off from Nudu, and the rain actually, it rained heavily here. You can see from a distance over even close to 200 meters from where I am standing. The rain has just scattered all over the flood, so we can see the flood all over. So those trying to use Juapong Road should be very careful because the rains are too much for you to even use this road. Very, very heavy rain, and for the first time in the history of Juapong, we are seeing the floods over here. So please, anyone using this road should be very and extra careful before coming down. For now, for close to an hour and a half, the road has been cut off. Unless you can just walk like this patiently, and then they use you to cross to the other side. But there is a heavy traffic as I'm speaking, that there is no way, nowhere you can access until the rain goes down. And so this is Juapong for you in the video, and it's severe. What do you count? V8 and a Ford. What you So this is the only alternative you can use. The guys who hold you, they are doing it free of charge. They will just hold your hand, make sure you remove your sandals, and then they will try and force you through to the other side. But for now, we cannot tell as at when the rains will go down. But those living close to the stream, that's the Alabo stream, we fear for them, because as at now we cannot ascertain if any lives have been lost as at this moment. We cannot ascertain, but currently this is what is happening at Jorpong. I think for the past 1 hour and a half, no car can pass, and this is what we are witnessing now.